Welcome back, boss. Well, this is actually a paid review, but I will try my best to bring you my honest opinion about this crypto exchange. The name of this crypto exchange is Prime XBT. Well, the first thing which I like about this exchange is that this is an all in one trading solution because it not only offers crypto trading, but you can also trade stocks, indices, and 40 plus Forex pair on their platform. If you visit their About Us page, you will notice that Prime XBT supports more than 100 assets to trade on, and their trading platform is very user friendly and easy to use. You can also imagine the popularity of this crypto exchange by looking at their average daily volume, which is around $545 million per day. Besides, Prime XBT offers multiple payment methods to fund your account, and the best part is that you can buy crypto directly through your debit or credit card. Now, if you see here, you will notice that what you can do in Prime XBT trading platform. Well, you can buy crypto, you can do margin trading in which they offer up to 1000 leverage, and you can earn interest here by staking your crypto assets with them. You can do copy trading. I hope you know about copy trading. Well, in copy trading, you just follow the top rated traders listed on any platform, and by just following them, their trades will be automatically copied in your trading account. So you earn profit without doing any hard work to find the right trades for you. This is how copy trading works. And you can participate in different trading contests running in their trading platform. They usually have couple of trading contests running all the time for you to participate and win real prizes. And here is the thing, the most important one and the best part of their services, especially for a beginner trader, is that they have an academy for you to learn about their trading platform, and I mean how to use their trading platform. And this is not it. You can find daily market analysis and learn effective trading strategies to earn profit out of forex and crypto markets. And if you follow their YouTube channel, you can also learn a lot about forex and crypto markets. And they also have an affiliate program for publishers to earn commission for redirecting traffic to their website. If you have a website with good traffic on, or you run a YouTube channel just like me, you can apply for their affiliate program for some extra income. Well, now let's move on to the dashboard to give you some insights of the Prime XBT trading platform. And here is the link on the top right corner you see. Now I click on the login button. Here you need to fill out your login details, means your email and your password. Then click login button. If this is your first time to log into your dashboard, then this pop-up screen will appear in front of you, which says make a deposit and start trading. Well, obviously, you need to make some deposit on their trading platform to start trading. And if you are ready to make some deposit, then click that deposit button. You will see here multiple payment methods which are being offered by Prime XBT to fund your account. And one of these payment method is bank card, which I was talking about a little earlier. The other good thing is that if you are already trading with a exchange like Binance, then you can receive funds into your Prime XBT account directly from the Binance Smart Chain. With a very little fees, you can transfer your funds from the Binance account to the Prime XBT account. So now suppose you have made your deposit and you are ready to trade in their trading platform. After login, you will see this main dashboard screen where you will see your wallet balances and your trades if you are running any trade in the system. Let me give you a quick review of their trading platform. Well, there is a margin menu where you can trade with leverage on their trading platform. Just click on it. You see there is a drop down button here. When you click on it, you can see here CFDs, cryptos, and forex pairs. Select the menu of your choice and click on any currency pair you want to trade on. When you click on it, on the right side you will see the chart of that currency, and it is very easy to buy and sell directly through their chart. As you can see, there is a buy button and there is a sell button. If you click on the buy button, you will see that you just have to click the send order button and your order will be placed. And if you want to place your stop loss and take profits along with your entry, then you can also do so. Well, if you see here on this drop down, here it is written regular trading, and the one option is one click trading and the other option is double click trading. If you click on one click trading, it says that if you accept these terms and conditions and click confirm button, then from now onward, sending orders will be performed immediately and without confirmations. Canceling orders will be performed immediately and without confirmations, and closing positions will be performed immediately without confirmation. This one click and double click trading option is really helpful in the news trading. If you like news trading, then this option is for you, because in the normal trading, you see when you click on the buy button, then you have to fill your stop losses or take profits, and it takes some time to place your order. And during news trading, these couple of seconds are enough to take price beyond your reach. So if you enable one click trading, then you can easily place your order without wasting any time during news trading. So this is an excellent feature they are offering. The next option is buy crypto. As I said earlier, you can buy crypto directly through your Visa or MasterCard. And this is copy trading, which I told you earlier that in copy trading, you just have to follow the successful traders. And when you follow them, their trades will automatically be copied into your trading account. And here is the yield. You see that currently they are offering ETH, UTC, and USDT yielding on their trading platform at the moment. With these options, in which you get different annual percentage yield on your staking cryptocurrencies. So you can also earn some interest by staking your crypto assets on their trading platform. And here is the last menu which says contest. As you can see, there are still 3 contests running on their trading platform. You can join any of these 3 contests and can win real prizes. Well, this is not any kind of financial advice. You can do your own research about this crypto exchange, and if you feel like you should open your account with them, then you can do so by clicking on the link I mentioned in my description. If you join through my link in the description, then you will get 50% bonus on your first deposit which can be utilized in margin trading. So if you want to join this broker, then you can find the link in the description of this video. So this is all for Prime XBT. Let's meet in the next video with another review of another broker. Good luck. Happy trading.